This cucumber looks delicious. Food control systems in the EU say it does not contain high amounts of pesticides. But how can we be sure that analyses are reliable? Thanks to the certified reference materials produced in European laboratories, we can find out. We are heading to Giel, Belgium. This European Commission Joint Research Centre is developing so-called certified reference materials, or CRMs. A CRM is a measurement standard supporting laboratories to check the quality of their measurement methods. A good example is the pesticides in cucumber CRM, a powder made from cucumbers that comes with a certificate indicating the concentration of multi-pesticides.
Laboratories can use our cucumber CRM by integrating it into their own measurements. This means that if they analyze the CRM with their own methods, and if they obtain the results that we indicate in the certificate, they have measured correctly.
The labs are performing quality checks to monitor ingredients and contaminants in the food, such as pesticides in cucumber, but they also analyze the real food products. The cucumber needs to be prepared. The first step is making a cucumber puree from which the pesticides can be extracted.
In the second step, isolating, the main purpose is to separate cucumber from the material, because it's not only pesticide, it's a cucumber as well. Then after we separate it with using solvents or different mixture of the solvents, then we purify them and then we analyze.
If the amount of pesticides analysed in the cucumber CRM match those in the certificate, it means that the analytical method and the instruments used by the laboratory are reliable. This gives laboratories accurate results to insert into the EU pesticides database and helps the European Food Safety Authority to assess the risks.
In 2016, more than 20 million individual pesticide analyses in food were submitted to the EFSA. Our certified reference materials can help laboratories to be sure that their measurements have been made correctly.
The use of certified reference materials goes well beyond pesticides in food. The JRC is one of the world's leading CRM producers. The neighbouring building is a real treasure vault. It stores thousands of materials together with their documentation to send to laboratories the world over.
We have more than 650 different types of CRMs here, which are not only used for food analysis, but also for environmental, clinical or industrial analysis. They must be stored at different temperatures, ranging from plus 18 degrees to plus 4 degrees, and down to minus 20, minus 40 and minus 70 degrees. We must also regularly check that the materials have remained stable.
The use of CRMs ensures a common measurement system in the EU. This helps in monitoring the implementation of legislative requirements, such as maximum limits. This year again, more than a dozen new materials will be processed and certified by the JRC.
Food in the EU is very safe. Many measures are taken to ensure that the limit values are respected and that all food marketed in the EU is safe for human consumption.